You can fold like this, so you can fold like that. You can fold like this, so you can fold like that. You can fold like this, so you can fold like that, but you should fold like this, because this is where it's at. In this video, we're about to check out this automatic t-shirt folder. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Bates from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help you start t-shirt businesses from home or wherever you at. Listen, there's a number of ways that you can fold. You can fold half fold, you can retail fold, you can fold with this, you can fold by hand, but you should be folding with this automatic t-shirt folder. We're gonna take a look at it right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. Yes, I mean all the time. All right, man, listen, we just got a bunch of shirts printed for a hair/beauty product shop place. Got a front, and you got your hair goals on the back. And now it's time to fold them up. You know, usually you just lay them out, and there's a few different ways you can attack folding, right? You can just grab the whole pile and deliver them to a customer like this, or you know, you can go ahead and take this and then you can kind of like hand fold it over like this, bow, and you know, you can see super inconsistent, right? I could probably take a little bit more time, if you know what I'm saying. Or what you can do is you can grab you one of these t-shirt folders online so that you can get a consistent fold. You know what I'm saying? You can go to a place like Amazon, get one of these for about 25 bucks, right? You go pretty much boom, maybe it's like 30 bucks, whatever it may be. You know what I'm saying? You gotta fold the back over, get that right, and then you just whop, fold that, bam, right? Now you got a consistent fold. But if you're a screen print shop, this is a repetitive motion. You're just gonna be having somebody just keep doing this. All right, next one. We just go and go. But in this video today, you probably already know from the intro, but in this video today, we have the automatic t-shirt folder, and this is price favorable because everything across the internet is quite expensive when it comes to t-shirt folders. And if you're doing about 500 to 1,000 plus shirts a week, we got two options for you in this machine. I'm gonna unbox the smaller of the two, and let's take a look at what you guys think about this t-shirt folder. Okay, so here it is. Let's go ahead now, and I'm gonna crack the seal, just like that, just like that. Get a paper, get that out the way. And we are going to slide this out of the box. All right, so here we go. Looks good. This is like a nice build. Looks like a lot of 3D printed parts. Probably a laser cut. Some plastic, super lightweight. Can probably just sit on any table or a fold up storable table or anything like that. I'm liking the build. All right, now this is the smaller than two machines, like I said. So let's figure out now here. Okay, I see a button here and a button here. I don't know if you got to press both of them or one of them. We'll figure that out. Hopefully it's just one. You can kind of figure out what the motion is. I know the top model comes with an actual. You can do a foot pedal with it. Under here. Okay, we got the t-shirt. We got the t-shirt, got the Gildan heavy cotton right there, size large, my size. All right, now we got the plug here, so we're gonna plug it up. And we got the handle here that I'll install. I guess it goes on this top side right here. We'll install that later. I got my screwdriver right here, we'll get that on there. So let's go ahead and plug it up and take a look. All right, power button back here. Power button. All right, everything goes there. And let's smack the button, just see what happens. Looks good. So we're going to, I guess we got to lay the shirt this way because it's going to go like this. So let's grab a shirt here. Let's see how this thing folds. All right. Lay the shirt out here. All right. Grab the back right there. All right. Lay that in. Wow. Let's see what happens. Woo! Look at that. Perfect fold. Let me fold it for you. All right. Let me fold it for you. So let me take this one back here and let's see what it looks like again. Let's try it again. All right. Fold it back up. All right, probably a little bit more working room back here for me. All right, and let's see. I'm gonna hit this button this time. Same thing. Wow, wow. Look at that. 2 folds, and they both are perfect folds right there. So this is a machine that you get, you can use it. You can go ahead and that repetitive motion, it just seems like now the second unit will actually pop the shirt vertically. And what that'll allow us to do is once it folds over, you can grab a poly bag and fit it right over top. So I'm gonna have links to both of these down in the description below, or you can go visit tshirtfolder.tshirtsizeway.com. That's my affiliate link to let them know that I sent you. I'll also have the proper size bags for each unit down below so that you guys can select the right bags when you get it. Now, this isn't for, the home-based business that, maybe isn't selling retail. I can see this going into like a retail store, making it very super consistent, but not something that you'll value. But if you have a bag and tag service with your screen printing business or looking to add it, this will allow your employee to not have to do that repetitive motion and just get ahead right in there, fold it up perfectly every time, be able to quickly get through a stack of shirts and different things like that. So I think at some point in here, I'm gonna have to get a race going and just figure out, let's do 3 ways of folding. Basically a manual fold, we're gonna do a manual fold, we're gonna do a paper fold, and then we're gonna do probably this automatic t-shirt folder way right here and get it rolling and just see whose pile looks very, very nice. So again, I don't think this machine is for everybody. You know what I mean? It looks cool to use, but the next cheapest unit that I see in the US based market is around $8 grand if you catch it on sale at one of the shows or something like that. But it's gonna come in at about 10 grand if you just buy it online on a regular basis. So that's something that you guys want to consider. Man, listen, let me know down in the comments below what you think about this automatic t-shirt folder. So listen, I got a lot of shirts to fold. I'm gonna get these things folded and catch you guys in the next video. This has been your boy Stan Best with T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace. Watch me fold. Let me fold, let me fold. Let me fold, let me fold, let me fold. Listen, this was a way better way of folding these shirts, man. I'm just gonna keep it funky with you guys, man. I definitely, just that rhythm, it just didn't do any damage to me. You know what I'm saying? As far as like having to keep doing that motion and motion and motion. It felt really good, worry free. The fold stack is pretty much perfect. You know what I mean? Outside of my placement, and then they're out of size order, so it's not in the size order. But outside of that, man, this thing is a perfect stack of shirts, and I like this machine. I'm glad to have it, you know what I'm saying? And I think if you got a retail space, this is something that you can consider, making sure those piles look nice and clean. Maybe get into some retail stores. Again, screen print shops with baggage services. You probably want to go with the upgraded version of this that actually allows you to go ahead and poly bag it, but I'm feeling it. Again, you guys can purchase this machine at tshirtfolder.tshirtsizer.com. That's my link to let them know I sent you. You can find all of that stuff down in the description below. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me down in the comments. This has been your boy Stan Bates from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.